Alright, so we are now entering into Hermosa Beach. At least this is how I define it on my map. Alright, still pretty much oceanfront. And absolutely nobody is out. Everyone's nestled in bed. And FSD, oh, look at this. FSD detected this human, slowed accordingly, perfect, no concerns at all. Let's see, add stop. So I'm going from Hermosa Pier to Redondo Pier. I wonder if Starbucks is open. Okay, so Starbucks, I think it's around here somewhere. Is it? Can you pass it? Did it shut down? Alright, so Hermosa Pier is mostly empty as well. All the businesses appear to be closed, except for that nail salon.